Hello, I'm Dave Richards, Facilities Director of RSU1. I've been asked by the school board to give a brief overview of some of the major projects we will become covered under the upcoming bond referendum for the school district. The purpose of this bond is to address safety concerns, avoid heating system failures, provide appropriate learning environment, and extend the useful life of our buildings. Our first project we're going to look at is Morse High School. One of the projects is the windows. 172 windows in the original building will need replacing. The second we're going to look at is the heating control systems, as well as the hot water system, boiler upgrades, and converting the steam side of the building to a hot water side of the building. Next, we're going to look at the electrical distribution panels. These are Frank Adam panels, which no longer has parts or pieces to. Boiler room roof, which leaks. The fire escape, which is past its life expectancy. The chimney will require repointing. Science labs are still as of 1969 science labs and were required to be brought up to current standards for NEOS reporting. Also secure front entrances on all the schools. Next is BRVC. There's 3 projects for this one. Secure front entrance, 4-post lift, and heating controls because they're tied into the Morse heating system. Bath Middle School will require a secure front entrance as all the others. The gymnasium roof will need replacing, as well as the 100, 200, and 300 wings roofs. We're now in the boiler room at Bath Middle School. One of the projects here will be to change this piping above from the old steam header to direct piping off the front of the boiler to what's called a blend pump. That pump, what it does is it injects water into the return cycle back into the boiler so we don't have what's called thermal shock. And what that does is these are sectional boilers. And the way it's set up right now is we keep cracking sections and having to replace sections. This blend pump will alleviate those problems. These are the school's circulator pumps that pumps the water through the building. We'll be putting variable frequency drives on these. We will get a $3,600 rebate from Efficiency Maine, plus save $1,962 on electricity annually. 3 projects for West Bath School: reseam the roof, a secure front entrance, and upgrade the phone system. 3 projects for Fish Mitchell School: replace the 27-year-old domestic hot water system, redo the condensating piping, and secure front entrance. Now Dyke Newell School. First thing we're going to look at is a secure front entrance, replace the 1963 roof. We're now back behind Dyke Newell. One of the projects will be replacing the boiler piping that goes from the boiler room all the way over to the 1978 wing. All this pipe is buried and it's as built, 1978 piping. Last year we had a leak here, the year before we had a leak up there, and we believe we have several pinhole leaks throughout the line. This needs to be replaced. Retube the boilers in order to extend out their life cycle. Replace the domestic hot water system. It is about 30 years old. And finally to Pittsburgh. There's 2 projects here. First, a secure front entrance, followed by a new leach field. So in summary, most of these projects are due because of the age of the equipment, change of safety codes, as well as education requirements that we must meet to stay accredited. If you have any further information on any of these projects, please feel free to contact me at my office. My phone number is 443-6601, extension 108. Or you can email me at drichards@rsu1.org. Thank you for your time.